Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on a GBP USD? Now, from a monthly perspective, we know that the market has approached and rejected multiple times a very important structure area, acting as a very strong structure support here, again, a very strong support here, and again, the market has rejected this zone as strong support at this level. Let's go down on the weekly time frame and see what kind of situation we have on the weekly. Now, on the weekly time frame, what we can see on the weekly, we can see that the market as well is below a very important weekly resistance area, acting as very strong support here, resistance here, again resistance, and the market is showing again resistance here. Now, since from the monthly we want to see a bigger push to the upside, we need to break above this weekly resistance, and the only way in which the market can make it to break this zone is if it clearly shifts structure, at least from a daily perspective. So let's go down on the daily and see what kind of situation we currently have on the daily. Now, on the daily time frame, if you remember, first we had a market that had created an M formation. We said we definitely want to see the market make the move to the upside and complete the pattern, and that is what the market did. And then we said we expect the market to make the continuation to the downside and complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside. And that is exactly what the market did. Now, after that, what do we want to see? We want to see the market clearly shift completely the structure, because the market has also completed the waves to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if we want to see a shift back to a bullish market, we need to see a break above the level. Now, if the market will manage to create an equal high here, then what we will have? We will have a market that has broken structure to the upside, because after an equal high, you expect a retracement and continuation to the upside for the creation of this inverted head and shoulders. So how we will be approaching this situation with students? If the market will manage to make a move to the upside as we were already expecting, and after that we definitely expect a retracement, then and only then, after the market will have created this move, and if it will create this move inside of this area, that is where we will have the best probabilities and best risk to reward for the actual move to the upside. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, what big banks and institutions are currently doing in the market, we can see that we went from having 35K net positions all the way down to having minus 36K net positions. So we went from having way more longs than shorts to having more shorts than longs from an institutional perspective on the GBP. However, in the short term, we see an increase in the net positions with longs adding and thousands of shorts getting closed. So a clear shift to the bullish side, exactly as we wanted to see. By the way, I will also link in the description of this video the previous analysis when we said from here that we wanted to see the move to the downside, from here the completion of the pattern, and then the continuation to the downside. I will link all those previous analysis in the description so you can go and check them out for more free education. Now, if you enjoyed this free video and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.